They say that communication is the key to a healthy relationship, and that's true. The problem is, nobody ever tells you how to do the actual communicating. That's where we come in, we do. I'm Mike Moscolo. I'm a professor of psychology, and I'm the director of Creating Common Ground. We're a nonprofit, and our mission is to help people bridge divides and solve conflict in everyday relationships. Basic key to solving conflict in a relationship is simple. It is to state your needs to your partner without blame and without making demands. Stating your needs is different than telling somebody what to do. If I say to somebody, I want you to wash the dishes, well, that's telling somebody what to do. And when someone hears that, they tend to feel blamed, and that statement makes demands on somebody. However, if we say, I have a need for an ordered house, there's no blame being made and there's no demands being made on somebody else. When you state your needs in that way, you invite the other person to engage in a problem-solving conversation about how you can get your needs met. No one needs to feel blamed. No one needs to feel defensive. We teach people how to do this. Now, how could you learn how to do this? We are currently offering workshops, 3-hour online workshops in which we teach this. We are doing it at both private and group sessions. In the private sessions, couples come in, or it could be an individual as well, with a particular problem they want to work on, and we work on that problem to resolve it while at the same time teaching people how to learn the conflict management skills that we are trying to teach. The group sessions are the same thing, except that there's less one-on-one attention. The group sessions are for 3 hours, $150, and the private sessions are for 3 hours, $350. Conflict management works. We teach people to do this all the time. If you have questions, call me. Call me now at 978-414-5939. If I'm available, I'll pick up. If I can't pick up, I will call you back as soon as I can. I look forward to talking to you.